For students preparing to write WAEC 2026 Agricultural Science Practical, so this is a priority class for you, for teachers and students. Teachers should ensure they watch this video to the end, and please they should ensure that they share this video to all other students, please. So the specimen we'll be working on, they are here. For specimen A, that's a poultry dropping. I believe that students know what a poultry dropping is. So that's the dropping from a fowl, chicken and everything, all poultry beds. So specimen B is cow dung from a cow. So specimen C, that is water. So water. So the water will be labeled. You understand? So it might be in a conical flask or beaker or anything in the lab, agricultural science laboratory. So then the specimen D, that's limestone. Limestone is used in making cement. Chemistry is to call it calcium carbonate. So you have to label it as well. So for specimen E is dibber. While specimen F is O. Now specimen F is O. So the next one is G. Specimen G is EFG. Okay, that's the weighing scale. That is scale for weighing. You understand? So specimen H is watering can. Yeah, that one is more familiar. We have knapsack sprayer and we have watering can. So don't worry, you are going there. So remember that after E, F, G, H, the next one is I, right? So I was omitted. Take note. Specimen I was what? Omitted. So the next one they jumped to was J. So specimen J is pineapple. That's a fruit. So and then is a whole, not just a peel, the whole fruit. So that's for specimen J. Then after J, the next one is K. Specimen K is cassava tuber, which means that a whole of cassava. You understand? So after specimen K, the next one is L. That's a cotton lint. So with the seed too. So that's for specimen L. Then after L, we have M. So the specimen M, that's a groundnut cake. Groundnut cake. The Yorubas will call it kuli kuli. That's groundnut cake. So specimen M. Okay, next one is N. So specimen N is fish meal. And O, specimen O, that's elephant grass. Elephant grass. That's the specimen O. And the last one is P. So specimen P, that's the guinea grass. Good. So now look at the specimen for this year, it says agricultural science practical. So now what I will do now is that I'll be working on all these specimens, like I'll be working on them, telling you the possible questions and answers that they can ask you in your exam. Remember that I did that for animal husbandry as well. Did that for animal husbandry. Even I work on them further mathematics, chemistry practical. I think those are the subjects I've worked on for now on my channel. And then those that watched the animal husbandry, I posted animal husbandry a week to the exam. I labeled the video part A, part B. I think both of them had close to like 22,000 views. Yeah, students that watch those videos were really appreciating me, that thank you for this video, because it's just like as if I've seen the question before the exam day. Meanwhile, like I said earlier, I posted the video 1 week before the exam, and I never see any question. Mind you, in this channel we don't do expo, we don't examination malpractice. I'm not in support of that. So if you are any student preparing, or probably if you have it in mind that you are coming to my channel to look for expo, please and please just swipe up this video away and don't watch it. Because if you engage in expo, remember that blessing of God will not be on your result. Even if you have that result and you use it to enter school, you might not use that result to achieve good thing in life. So please desist from examination malpractice. Just read, study hard, and pray to God that God should bless your hard work on learning, and blessing of God will be on you. So now, to cut the story short, what happened is that I'll be ending this video now. So I'll be coming up with another video whereby I'll be displaying all these specimen by God's grace. So in that video, I'll be telling you the possible question they can ask you based on all these specimen from beginning to the end. The possible things they can ask you based on all these specimen, I'll be explaining that to you. And not only that, and also I'll be telling you the strategy way of how to answer agricultural science practical question and answer. Mind you, they don't ask drawing in agricultural science practical. Yes, you will never draw. Nothing like drawing and labeling. Unlike biology, you're only going to draw in biology. Even the same thing with them livestock farming too. In livestock farming too, there's nothing like drawing too. The same way with agricultural science practical, nothing like drawing except biology that you will need to draw and measure the scale of what you are drawing. So there is something going on our WhatsApp classroom. So we'll be hosting a Zoom class. Yes. Now that Zoom class is 1,500 naira for mathematics student alone. So if you have interest in joining our mathematics class, that class is a preparatory class for student writing WAEC 2026. So we'll be solving some questions and then I'll be exposing you to possible things they can ask you in your mathematics. Yeah, the class is coming soon because your mathematics exam is June 4 or so, or 6, I don't know, I've forgotten. So the class is going to be holding around early June. So if you are interested, it's just 1,500 naira to join the mathematics class, virtual mathematics class. We are using Zoom, and mind you, Zoom can only accommodate 100 participants. So once we clock 100 participants, we will no longer accept payment again. So if you are interested and you want to join, remember that first come first serve. If you are interested and you want to join, you pay your money to this account number 8068435809, and that is PalmPay. So the name it will pop for you is Adegboyega Lukman. So that name is going to pop for you. So immediately you paid. After you have paid your 1,500, write under the caption that you want to join the mathematics virtual class for WAEC 2026. Yeah, the class is going to be for like 3 hours, just a day class, 3 hours a day class. And that class, I'm going to review a lot of facts you need to know concerning WAEC mathematics, and then we'll be treating some possible questions that WAEC might ask you in your mathematics. So after you have paid, send your receipt to this WhatsApp number 091 55 10 28 18. So after you have sent your receipt, then you'll be added to the group first. So after you paid, send your receipt to this number. Once you have sent it there, then go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download this app, Zoom Workplace. Look at the spelling very well. Zoom Workplace. So ensure you download Zoom Workplace. After you have downloaded it, then sign up. I didn't say sign in, I said sign up. So once you have signed up, then you are good to go, because I'll be sending you the link, the class link, 3 hours before the class. So once I send you the class link, I will drop the class link on the group, on the WhatsApp group created for students who paid, and you are going to join. You will actually believe me that you will enjoy this class. Those that paid for chemistry practical, yeah, I wish they watch this video so that they can give testimony to what we treated on that Zoom class. Yes, that night, on Tuesday night, a day before the exam. So that was when we treated the WAEC chemistry practical, especially the number 2. All what we discussed, like, it's just like as if the students sees the question before the exam time. That's just the way the class looks like, just like as if we are treating live questions. Meanwhile, it's not the live question, it's just like as if I have over 10 to 15 years experience about how WAEC used to set questions. So I can predict WAEC questions, and at least my prediction is usually going to be accurate. Livestock farming, check my page, watch it. If you go the exam, go and watch my page. Quickly rush down to my page now. Go and watch livestock farming, watch part 1 and part 2 and see those questions. Check the day I uploaded the video on my channel, and check the day you wrote the exam, and check the question whether it is related or not. You will now see whether I'm lying or not. Please go and do that. Give me a good comment, share this video to other WAEC students who will be preparing to write this exam soon. And I wish you best of luck in my exam. So anticipate for my new or next video that I will be working on all these practical one after the other, displaying the specimen and also telling you the possible question they can ask you based on this specimen in my next video. Bye.